Yeah, hi Shakti. Let's wait for others to join, and then we'll start in few minutes. Hi Sushmita. Good evening, Sushmita. So today again, you have to share screen. My access issue is still not sorted. Am I audible, Sushmita? Okay, am I not audible? Not clear. Is it okay now? Is- Okay, okay. So today also you please share your screen. So my access is still not sorted. So they reset my password, but still I'm not able to log in. Okay, so please share your screen and then we will start in a minute. We'll do material master creation today. Let's wait for Sai also to join and then we can start. Okay, fine. So Sai has also joined. Please share your screen now. Okay, so today we will see creation of material master. But prior to that, any questions on yesterday's session, customer master creation? Okay. So I believe, I hope you guys have created customer masters. You have tried yourself. So now let's start with material master creation. Go to transaction MM01. Okay. Now here in material, leave that field as blank. System will automatically create material number. Come to industry sector. Here you need to select to which from which industry this material belongs to. So let's say our material is from mechanical industry. Select the first one. Okay. Now come to material type. So material type basically defines what kind of material you are creating. You are creating a finished product. Finished product is your ready product which you can sell directly, or you are creating a raw material which is required in production of any material, or you are creating some sample material. So basically, what kind of material you are creating, that you have to define in material type. So ours is, let's say, finished product. So you search for finished product. No, this is not the right one. Please come down. Further come down. Okay. Yes. See if there are any other options also for finished product. Okay, let me explain you the different types of this product also. Just scroll slowly on the top. The important ones I can explain you. Let's start from the top. Go to the top. Okay, so here you see waste, ABF, waste. If you are creating any waste material, let's say you are manufacturing something and some product is coming out as waste. So like in sugarcane industry, there will be a lot of waste products. In all the manufacturing process, there will be a waste product. So if you want to configure that, then you have to use the waste material type. Samples is AEM. If you are like in pharma industry and retail industry, you will be giving samples to your customers or to your retailers. So samples you can create by AEM. Okay, you came to the last option. There were many in between. Okay, now slowly come down. Okay, now you see raw material is there, raw material which is for your like raw material which is required in your production process. Then you see finished product. Now come down, further come down. Okay, so you see there container like if you are some export company or some transportation company who are providing containers, so you can create a container as a material, container type of material and system. Then further scroll down. Yeah, FERT. You see that is the one for finished product. FERT. This is the main finished product. Then further come down. This one FERT you select when you are creating the material, but for now I'm explaining. So, okay, so DIEN is service. So if you are creating any service material, let's say you are creating installation, you want to create installation in system, AC installation or mm, printer installation or television installation, any kind of installations. If you serve, if you that service you have to create, then you have to select this material type DIEN. Okay, now further come down. HALB, you see HALB, semi-finished product. So sometimes you have to create semi-finished products. So which are not the end product, but they are in between. So that is created through HALB material type. Then you have trading goods HAWA just below that. So trading goods are your normal finished products which are for which you are trading. So HAWA, keep on coming down. Okay, KMAT configurable material. Configurable material is when you are creating any material, when you are creating a sales order. So system allows you to configure material as per your wish. Let's say you have created a material called laptop, then in the sales order system will allow you to enter configuration of laptop. So let's say laptop material you have entered, then how much RAM you want to select, how much GB memory you want to select. So that kind of option you will get in sales order. That is through KMAT material type. Okay. Then you have returnable packaging, LEIH. So LEIH returnable packaging means when you are sending containers or pallets, you are sending goods in your container pallets. So this all uh, packaging material should come back because it is very expensive. If you are sending container to someone, that container should be returned back also to the to your company. So returnable packaging, we will create that as a returnable packaging material. Okay, come down, further come down. Okay, slowly, slowly. N lag, non-stock material. Let's say you are creating some consumable kind of material, so they will be created in system, but the inventory will not be tracked for them. They will be consumed as and when they are required. Then you have pipeline material. If you are supplying your products through pipeline, let's say gas or oil, so for that kind of material will be created with this material type PIPE. Okay, so these are like the different kind of material types option when you are creating a material. So first you have to select the industry sector. So in our example, we have taken mechanical industry. Now, material type we will create as a finished product. So search for FERT. So FERT you have to remember, FERT is for finished product. So normally this one you will be creating 90% of the time. And now press enter. Yeah, one more thing before prior to pressing enter, you can create this material directly, I mean individually in system, or if you want to copy from some existing material, then you have to give the material number in copy from material. If you want to copy from some existing material, then that option is also available. So what happens in that case? System copies all the data from your existing material. Then in your material you can do the changes, whatever the changes like description you have to change or any other changes you have to do, and then you can save it. So it uh, I mean reduces the data entry part. But since we are learning, we will create as a fresh material. We will not create with copying. So now press enter. I think you need to log in again. This will close the session. Select the first option which came after logging in. Yeah, again go to MM01. Yeah, press enter.
What is this change number, sir?
Change number is yeah, that is actually not used that much. So you can leave that field. It is not used. No, no problem. You just yes, move ahead. Internal number range. Okay, go again to Okay. Enter some material name here. Enter test 01. Look, don't give a space without a space. Okay, now press enter.
I didn't see.
Yeah, so actually what issue happened? So in the number range we have to maintain in the background. So in case of when we are leaving the field blank, then maybe the number range is not defined correctly in the background or it is exhausted. So system is that error system was giving. So so what we have done, we have given a name from ourselves. So this is called external numbering system. Okay, so test 01 name we have given. Now you select basic data. Okay, these are the different views. So like I explained in previous session, there are different views in Material Master, and the different departments or different teams within the organization will be maintaining their respective views. Okay, so now uh, You can now, so for sales department, the views, uh, there's lot of background noise coming. So Smita, you can go on mute. Okay, so you can go on mute. I will tell you, just do that part. Now, what? So the relevant views for us. Okay, your SAP screen is gone. Okay, yeah. So here, basic data one, basic select basic data one, basic data two, and select sales org data one, sales org data two, sales general plant, and sales text. Okay, only these are the views which are relevant for sales and distribution. Now, go on the top and on the bottom, just press enter, that tick mark option, green tick mark. Now, system is asking in which plant, sales organization and distribution channel we want to create. So you can see the list of plants available from the magnifying glass. Okay, so you can choose any plant you want. So let's say we choose 2000, take 2001 Heathrow. Now, explore the sales organization. Yes, click there. So these all sales organization system is showing are available. And now for this plant, now you can select any one of them. Let's say we select the third one, final customer sale. Yes, third one. And distribution channel again, expand the distribution channel, see what options are there. Okay, distribution channel. Okay, system has taken this plant sales org is 0005 and distribution channel is 10. Okay, both system has picked. Now close this and press enter. Now here in test 01, you have to give some description to this material. So any description what you want to give, enter here. Any name of your material. No, no, this is not raw material. This is finished material. So you can enter as finished material test, something like that. Finished material test. Yes. Now here base unit of measure and old material number. If you see, these two fields are mandatory. So see what is there in base unit of measure, expand that option. So these are the different unit of measures. So search for, so our material is in piece or in each. So search that kind of uh, measure. So there will be something for piece or uh, each. Okay, so see here the carton option is there. So different measure of units are there. Keep on coming down. Create case. Okay, select case then, no problem. On the top, you can search also. The search option is also there. So base unit of measure is CV. Old material number means before, I mean, when the SAP is implemented. So before that also business is working. So they will be calling this material by some name. So when we are uploading materials in system, system automatically generates the SAP material number. So this is a field where you can maintain your old material number or your existing material number before SAP was implemented here. So let's say in SAP, this is called as finished material test, but this material was called it has some old material number, finished one, or any other name was given for this material. So this is the kind of mapping. So in system you can see the SAP number as well as what this number material was called earlier before SAP was implemented. Okay, you can give as finished, finish one or something. Yeah, you can remove S from the starting. Okay, now press enter. Okay, system has now come to basic data 1, basic data 2. Go back to basic data 1 again, once again. So come down, you can see gross weight and net weight. So these are not mandatory here, but usually for calculations and all these are used. So you can enter some weight here. Let's say material is 1 kg is gross weight, 2 kg is your gross weight, and 1 kg is the net weight. Now press enter. Okay, so basic data 2 tab, this is all the different informations, but no field is mandatory here. Okay, so you can skip this one, and classification is also not required. This is when your material is defined in batches or a variant material. In that case, it will be needed. So you can close this one. Now go to sales org one view. Here, sales org one view, you can maintain this delivering plant you can maintain, and the system will ask you to enter this tax values. Try to move to sales org 2 view. Okay, so system is saying maintain the tax classification, so just maintain the tax classification. We are still in the sales org 1 view, so system will stop you from going to next tab. So mark them, all of them, as non-taxable. See what are the options there. Okay, mark 00 for first three, and then India one you can make it as taxable. Or just keep 00 for all of them. This is just for our learning. So keep 00 for all of them. So here basically we are defining that this material when used, so for in which country it will be taxable and in which country it is not taxable. Now go to sales or to view and see whether system allows you. Okay. So now sales org one mandatory information is completed. So system has allowed us to come to sales org two view. Here you see general item category group and item category group. System has automatically defined NORM. So for when you select the FERT material type, automatically system will give this NORM. Now there are some special scenarios like third party sales that we will cover later on, third party sales. So in that case, this item category group we have to change here. Okay, so for now it is norm. You can consider that this is the standard entry, and item category group, this is norm, and general item category group is norm. So don't stress much about them right at the moment. And then go to your third view, sales general plant. Okay. Now in this you see transportation group and loading group. These two are mandatory. Come to the in the shipping data. In shipping data, come to transportation group and explore that. S- So here you have to define how basically you will be transporting these goods. So let's say you select the option container. You are sending these goods in container. And then loading group, just see the options in loading group. So loading group is how you will load this material. So let's say we are using forklift 00002 to load this material. Now, availability check in general data view, that is also mandatory field. Explore this one. So this is availability check defines how the stock will be checked for this material. So you can select, these are the different availability check options which we will cover when we are doing availability check. For now, you can select the first one, 01, daily requirements. So as and when this material is created, that time availability check will be done. Now press enter. Okay. Now that view is completed. Now sales text field. This is a field. Here you can maintain some any description or any comment that you want to be copied when you are creating sales order. So that you can maintain here. So like if you add any description, handle with care or fragile material, any description that you create, it will be copied to your sales order. So the person who is creating a sales order will be aware of this information, and similarly, the subsequent when the delivery person is checking, he can see these details. Okay, now you save the material from top. Now your material is created. Okay, now you if you want to see details of this material, go to mm03 and enter this material number. Okay, now press enter and select the views that you created. Basic data 1, 2, then sales views. Yeah, sales general plant also. And move, yeah, click on that. Continue. Now we created for plant 2000, enter 2000. And now see what are the options here, explore it on magnifying glass. So this time system will only show you in which sales organ distribution channel you have created. Select this option. Now continue. Okay, so you can see your material, all the details are available here. Now let's say you have, yeah, close the classification tab, then you will go to next one. Here you can see all the different tabs. Now come back. Now let's say you want to add some details in this material master. So come back on the main screen and go to mm02. Okay, press enter. Let's say you want to change basic data 1, some detail in basic data 1. Yeah, only select that view and continue. You want to rename this material as finished test material, material test dash 1 or 100, something like that. Material test 1, yes, 100. So you have changed the material description, and now you can save it. So your material is now updated. So what we have seen material creation, then how to display material, and then how to change material. Now, one additional thing, let me explain you. Let's say once material is created and some other department wants to add some information to their view. Okay, let's say purchasing department or account department want to add some information in this. So what they will do, they will go to mm01, go to mm01. You can also go from the top. You see the material option on the left hand side. You click that material option. So here also you will see create, change and display option. So you can browse either from here or from transaction. Go to mm01. You can go from here also, immediately, create immediately. Okay, enter your material test 01. Your material test 01. So what we are doing now, we are now extending this material to other views. First time when we used MM01, it was to create material. So now what we are doing, we are extending this material to other views of the material master. Now press enter. So let's say this material is created. Now purchasing department wants to add their data. Okay, so you select purchasing view, and then continue. Okay, plant was 2000. Now continue. Okay, so now you see material already exists and will be extended because material number was already existing. So purchasing department just wanted to add their data to the material master. Now you see material group is mandatory field. Select the material group. See what are the options there. Okay, you can select, let's say, electronic laptops. Select as mechanics 00104. So this is just grouping of this material under which material group this will be. This is created material group. So this is more from the reporting point of view. Now there is no other mandatory field. You can save it. Save the material master. Okay, so now your material is extended to purchasing view. Let's say now accounts team wants to add their data. Again, go to MM01, enter the material. Now it's already in MM01 screen, so just enter the material. Okay, press enter. Further scroll down here. Keep on scrolling. Further, accounts will come. Further, select accounting 1 and accounting 2. So these two views are related to finance. Costing 1 and costing 2 are related to costing team. So there is further segregation in accounts team, account and costing. So in general, accounting 1 and accounting 2 is for the finance. Go to these two views, select, continue, enter plant 1000 to 2000 and press enter. Leave that one, press enter. Okay. Now here in valuation class, under current valuation, you see valuation class. Go and see what are the options there. Under current valuation, below in the second, in the lower bottom, current valuation class, see the options there. Okay, so from here, system will determine to which GL account it is going to post. Okay, so finance team will enter. Okay, so this is finished products. So select the first one. So this, so when system finds this valuation class, it routes the entry to finish goods GL, general ledger. And now go to press enter here. Okay, so yeah, I'll keep that as it is with price control, enter as okay. Press enter, no, don't worry, press just enter and then go to costing 2. So this is all here is not required. Then just save it. No, leave all that for different views. Now just save it. Again, press enter and save it. So now your material is extended to purchasing view and to account view. So first what we did, we created a material. Then we have done some changes and then we have extended this to other views, to purchasing and account views. So this is how material master will be created in system. So I will take a pause for today. Any questions? If there, I can answer them.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, generally, who's created the materials, the material master?
So we need,
Person or the SD person?
yeah, material master. The basic data view will be created by person. The sales views that I have shown, that will be done by SD team.
Yeah. Okay. So whatever the changes we have to make, we could do it. Right?
Yeah, those will be in your sales views. The sales views, sales team will be maintaining. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Any other questions?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine, then let's connect tomorrow and try to practice this in system. Try to create few materials and let me know tomorrow what all challenges you face or you were able to create successfully. Okay.
Sir, if you want extend that material to another sales organization plan, how to do that?
The same process. Go to MM01 and then enter the new sales organization where you want to extend it. So we have created in one sales organization and distribution channel. If you want to extend this material to another sales organization, so go to MM01, select your sales view and enter
We have to create the same.
the process of extending is same. So first time when you create it, a new material will be created. From next time onwards, if you have to extend this material, you have to go through MM01 only.
So we are not, there is no any shortcut for that.
No, there is no shortcut. This is the standard way. So if you have to extend material, again go to MM01, enter the material which is already created, select the sales views and enter the sales organization where which you want to extend.
Yeah. Can we copy the customer and yeah, yeah. We can do like that.
Yes, you can copy also. So if you go to, can you share your, can you show the Sushmita the MM01 screen? So in material copy, if you want to create a new material, then you can copy from here. In the below you have a copy from option. So you can copy from this material also. So both options are there. You can copy.
We copy the material, it's the whole process being copied. In that we can place it.
Yeah, yes, right. So there, whatever
The
you
same,
want to change, that you
the
can
same
change.
we can extend also.
In extend also you can do this, right? In extend also you can copy. Yeah, so this option is available in extend as well as creation both.
Yeah.
Okay, okay then see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem, no problem. Bye, take care.